Brad Williams, Excel Prime, SUMIF with a less than, greater than operator. What does that mean? That means we want to add up anything that's not blank. Then we want to take that, we want to compare what the difference is between the numbers of non-warehouse. And then we want the total. Over on the right, you can summarize what I just said. But here's the anatomy. We have C5, C12. We know that's the warehouses. Then we have this less than, greater than. That means not empty. We're looking through here, so we're going to add here, 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 and here. We're going to add these 5. You can hit F5 all you want, F9. Doesn't matter what warehouses, they're set. The blanks are put in place. I didn't put in a space. What we have to do is, and I don't think the numbers change. They don't. This is fixed. And this is the way it's going to work. 33, this is what we do. We insert less than, greater than in between quotes. And that's all we do. And it's going to come up with 33,079. Then what are we going to do? We're going to sum up this total. Then we're just going to subtract this 33 to come up with 41, and then we just add the 2. The 41,780 is confirmed. G10, G8, G6. So this all reconciles and it works. Just keep in mind over here is what the less than and greater than, but we've seen in the past where we've seen this, and that means find the blanks. That means we want to use that information. Okay, so that means sum all blanks. So if we change this, it should match. So if we just do this, I don't know if I have to concatenate this or not. I might have to. Nope. This adds up everything. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.